fuhira nokozesa water pumps.
Dr. Barnabas Ntume orukurira amasharuro mu district ya Kikuube nagira ngo emenyetero kukira obwingi bine kyetengo cyo kwejumbira mu by'obuhingi n'oburisa bitu nibatina kukora rosi ahabwe enshonga yo kubura katare akemisharuro yabo.
Twino obutale obuli organized singa abayiro obutale n'ogamba yusa agenda kulima ebihimba nanga n'abantu nasayininga contract akatali kamanyirwe ataho bakuba bayindi bemigiramu baitu amaze kuturukia hatini haija buroka kuba middleman hatini we nakora ki niwe na take uno muhendo.
Number one is about access of quality seeds. That is why we are bringing in different players to provide quality seeds. That is number one. Then the second one is the youth themselves. They have not been opened up in terms of knowing what they are supposed to do. Yes, they have been practicing, but on the aspect of knowledge, there was a gap.
Ibi yabigamba rukutongoza homwereko gw'ebyobuhinjo gwesirwe Youth Caravan Expo ogutebekanisiibwa abagoro Uganda bakwatanise na Mastercard Foundation.
Emyaka eno tulozere abayusi bayingi nibajumbire by'obulimi baitu ehiroho bayina challenges bakutira tibayina itaka nomba ile ninsabira abeho police omuntu waraba ine itaka lyatakozesa ayikirize ge bayusi bakoleki balikozese abayusi tibayina sente
kusima abagoro Uganda bebale muno okuteka mu amaani ka Kikuube isemerirwe muno okutwalira kimu Kikuube yona nomba refugees kuli au Kikuube ejja kweyongera enkurakurana manyire obutekanizo omuyusi niyo ensinga ento ebintu byona bigenda okusemera.
Abatebekanisa omworeko ogu nibagira ngo omworeko ogu n'orutindo kunywanisa eminyeto hamwe n'abakugombya obuhingi.
The all aspects, the life cycle of a human being, including at home, will be changed.
These things have very many advantages or very many things you can make out of them. If you have plants, if you have animals, you can start off from selling to other people. You can start off from making manure out of the waste products that you have and sell.
Omworeko ogu nuguza kumarisa abitemwe gasha kwa nwagaba Ambrose Katoto.